One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. What I got here for you today is a 1980 Pontiac Trans Am. It's a two-owner car. This is one clean car. I got it from a kid that worked for me, second owner. It's got 96,000 original miles. The car runs and drives great. He used to drive it back and forth to California from Montana, but that was 24 years ago. So it's been a while, but that's the deal. That's why I'm gonna make a video here and show you this classic Survivor. This car used to be owned by a kid that went to work for me back in 2002 or 2003. I drove it around a little bit, started it up every now and then until I didn't, and it is all original. It's a nice car. Minor dings and stuff like that, and we'll go around that and check that out. I'll show you all that up close and personal. Other than that, make sure and like, subscribe, comment, check my other videos. I've got about 6,000 of them on here. All kinds of old classic car reviews. This one's for sale, and it'll be going up on the internet and what's going on YouTube right now. So that's the deal. Nathan, 406-546-8748. You can call me anytime, and I'll go in and kind of show you up close and personal. All right, now I'll show you up close any damage and stuff like that. Right here, got the paint cracking right off, and my hands are all dirty, I'm sorry. There definitely was some body work on this front fender. Don't know how much they got into it or whatever, but that looks to have had some Bondo on it. Sticker's in good shape. Wheels are in great shape. Tires are old, man, old. They sit around, they got dry rot in them. I wouldn't trust them very far at all. Bird is, of course, just in the shape it's in. You know, it's just kind of on there. Little chips all over the surface. Chip, 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 chip. And little stress marks here. Stress marks there, you can see. Little stress marks. Wear it off here. Top cover. That got a little bit of smack right there. All that's fallen off. I feel if there was any body work done, it was in this front area, like maybe they bumped something. And it's been on here a long time. Miscellaneous dings, like right here, you got some scratches and chips here. And going down the side, it's straight. This is not a rusty car at all. I'm gonna show you underneath it. Underneath it is super clean. And a little ding there. Wheel wells are straight and clean. Like I say, not a rusty car. Still got the factory these, but the stuff in the middle there is all dry. The little gasket or whatever you call it. A little smoosh right there, like you nicked something. A couple chips along the side. Ding there. There's a ding there. Scratches and chips down the door. Same thing on that little gasket or liner. And rock chips and stuff have done that. It's in great shape. Door handles good. Those break all the time. He's all over the place. Yeah, the cat got out. He's all worried. So all the paint's faded on top. Not rusty or nothing. It's faded on the top. Got a little bubble or something starting there. He's back there, faded. Scratch. Chips down the side.
Comment if you think Larry went outside the gate and went to our...
We'll hope not. So, besides a couple dings, scratches, straight and clean, not all rusted out or nothing. I'm going to show you in the back. Larry's inside. Mom found him. That's good. He was getting pretty worried. Clean underneath. Not a rusty car. Stress marks. Looked like the kid backed into some poles. Matthew, what were you thinking? Really back into parking lot poles or something. Hole in the spoiler here, as you can see. And besides general fading and general wear, I mean, it's a 1980, man. This thing is, how old is that? 45 years old. It's almost as old as me. Chips, and this side's a little cleaner actually. The gaskets are all bad around the spoilers. Ooh, there is a little corrosion area hole right there. Right there. It's just starting. But
I was gonna go in circles.
get up. See if you can walk. Foot hurt?
Do you think that has a bruise?
No, it might. Can you walk? Yeah? Okay. You gotta be careful going in circles. You're a good driver, but it just happens sometimes. Get back on it and go. You don't be scared of it. It's no big deal. That happens. That's the first time though, huh?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not sure where we were. He had a little accident and tipped the cart over. This door handle is cracked, and the window sweep is pretty much all rotted and cracked up and stuff. Chips along the door here. Real clean. Little chips along the bottom from just driving down the road. A couple chips and miscellaneous wear. That's about all there is to say. These here are faded. They were black. This one's chrome. So probably this one should have been chrome. And they painted it? I'm not sure. I really do not know. A couple cracks in the windshield. And mirrors got chips. Little ding, dent right there. A couple dings here. Ding there. Man, that's about it. I want to check that other side by that little spoiler. That's where stuff gets on these, get collected. No, this one was great shape. Okay, that's the deal. That's the car. I'm gonna take you for a test drive, show you the interior and all that, and we'll just call it good. OneOwnerCarGuy.com. Subscribe, like, comment. Let's check out the interior. Inside the car is in great shape. Door panels look great. Seat, just from sitting out in the sun, did this. This wasn't none of this like that. Looks to have a burn hole or something here. Seats discolored in the middle sections on the front, and it's starting to do it in the back. Just over time. Pedal has hardly any wear. As far as I know, this is a 96,000 mile car. Two owner. And it cracked up there. Cracks there along the dash. Headliner is gone. Package tray back there is pretty ugly. Needs a pack. That's probably the cheapest piece on this car. It's package trays. Seats. The back, they look good. And the trunk is in great condition. Even the weather stripping is still pretty pliable. It's not all cracked up. It's not got really any rust through. It's got some areas that were underneath the carpet that was in it. That kind of got like that. But it's in great shape. Nice, nice. Oh, and the light even works up here on it. Dirty. Got mud in there. Oh, clean it out. Well, that's under the trunk. Here's the back seat from this side. Carpet's kind of torn up there. Seats, great shape. Need some seat covers because it's still all the foam's all good. Or I mean, a guy could get the factory stuff and recover them. Whatever you think. This is the plastic coming off of that, kind of separating. In here, it's clean. And what is that? And it does have air conditioning. By the way, console. Okay, oh, I'm missing the surround there. You're crazy, buddy. There's a little bit of a storm going on. Pretty windy, huh? Floor pans. You can see everything there. And I'll show you the other side also. Super, super clean and not rusty car. For sure. Alright, it's bright and sunny out. We had a windstorm and some rain. It's crazy. This thing fires right up. If it's the first start of the day, we moved it around a lot once. But if it's the first start of the day, you gotta pump it a bit. Electronic choke or whatever it's got for choke works, but the light doesn't go out sometimes. But the tack is not hooked up there, as you can see. Everything else, as far as I know, works. The AC does not blow cold, I'm sure. This piece here needs to be shoved up in there and connected different. It's got a little crack in it. Right there. And right there. That's that. It has been cut out for the radio. And we'll go for a test drive here. Okay, I let this bad boy run for about 3 minutes. Idles down most of the way. Now, this thing ain't been ran in years, but right when you put it in gear, like that it goes. Might need a flasher, only works one way. Now, I don't trust this car to drive cross country. In fact, I'm not even gonna stay on the highway here. I'm just gonna go this way and go on the side roads. These tires are very old. They've sat in the yard for 20 years. I'm amazed they even hold air. But it shifts like it should. And that car runs and drives, man. Would I drive it to Tulsa or something? Hell no. Ain't no way. It's got, guaranteed it's got some flat spots in the tires for just sitting around. I know it's got the dry rot. Don't know if I can make this turnaround because I haven't had a daily driver for Trans Am for probably 20 years? Yeah, about that. Here we go. Foot on it. It goes, man. I'm not going to guarantee this thing will keep shifting for you, but I'm going to slow down again. And I'm going to give it another start and go. Stop and go, or whatever you call it. I'm going to try and make it shift before the turn. Then I have to let off. It shifts nice for what I've driven it, which is only about that far, and so did Rich, my best bud and my main lock guy here. And that's basically what we got from it. Off-road capabilities, check. We've got a pretty good dirt road burn in here. The UPS vans and FedEx guys have really helped that come to fruition. Okay, I don't know where I'm gonna put this thing is my problem. I'm just gonna go for the driveway. We'll talk to you in a second here. Okay, back here. Honestly, it's not running at 2,000 because that's not working. Idle might be a tad high. Choke light, like I said, it ain't going out. The that surrounding on there, but I'm trying to see if the oh wait, maybe need the key on. Duh. Yeah, don't know. You got some kind of issue on the locks. All right, I came out here at a different time of day because the sunlight came up. We got a big storm there, and I wanted to just show you in the bright light. The color is really deep and pretty color, and the paint looks good. I mean, the car shows very well. Just wanted to, well, my shadow's gonna go through it. That's part of it, I guess. But very nice car. I will go for the test drive next and show you the interior, and then we'll be done. Nathan, 406-546-8748. And as you see, I got lots more of them around here. I think about 24 of them left. So, might have what you want, but this is the only one I've got it for sale right now. So, thanks for watching. I'll be back. Other than that, she's a beaut, and I'll tell you what, it's a lot better looking than right now than it is because it's had a layer of dust on it from, look at that, you can tell exactly where I rubbed. But that storm really brought it in. Nathan, 406-546-8748, oneownercarguy.com for lots of pictures. Subscribe, like, comment. We've got about 25 of these Trans Ams left, sitting everywhere here. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are. We'll talk to you.